Hold it carefully. Hold it carefully. Don't be noisy. Don't be noisy.
Slow down. Slow down.
Close the window quickly. Close the window quickly.
Let's finish this work. Let's finish this work.
Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Let's go home. Let's go home. Take a seat. Take a seat. Stand up. Stand up. Don't tease him. Don't tease him.
Stay where you are. Stay where you are.
Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly.
Don't make a mess. Don't make a mess. Open the window. Open the window. Stop right now. Stop right now. Don't waste food. Don't waste food. Take your pick. Take your pick. Let's work together. Let's work together. Go to your room.
Go to your room.
Look at the board. Look at the board.
Can you please repeat? Can you please repeat?
Don't climb on that. Don't climb on that.
Don't touch that. Don't touch that. Who? Who? Bring it here. Bring it here. Please don't fight. Please don't fight. Please don't fight. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Bring me some water. Bring me some water.
Can you do it for me? Can you do it for me? Please guide me. Please guide me.
Look at the board.
Who?
Look at the board.
Please explain again. Please explain again. Please explain again.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe!